Hi, it's Jan. Welcome to the 1 Minute Kitchen. Can you imagine only 3 ingredients to make a heavenly cloud bread? It's gluten-free and it's great. Here's what you'll need. 3 large eggs, 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar, and 3 tablespoons of either cream cheese or cottage cheese. That's it. Carefully separate the egg yolks from the whites. To the egg yolks, you'll add your cream cheese or your cottage cheese. Mix it together and set aside. Now combine the egg whites with the cream of tartar and then whip to nice stiff peaks. Now add the yolk mixture to the egg whites and very gently fold to combine. Ready to make clouds? Spoon the mixture onto a greased baking sheet about the size of a hamburger bun and 1 inch thick. Then bake at 300 degrees for 30 minutes or until golden brown. The sky's the limit for cloud bread. It's so light and fluffy and holds together beautifully, so it makes great sandwiches like ham and cheese, peanut butter and jelly, a BLT, or just honey. Cloud bread is a whole lot of heaven. We'll see you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.